Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To access the Settings app window in Windows 11, click the Start button in the Windows taskbar to show the Start menu. Then click the Settings app icon in the Pin section of the Start menu if it appears there. Otherwise, click the All Apps link in the upper right corner of the Pin section in the Start menu. Scroll down to the apps that start with the letter S, and then click the Settings app icon. Alternatively, to access the Settings app window in Windows 11, right-click the Start button in the Windows taskbar. Then click the Settings command in the pop-up contextual menu that appears. The Settings app in Windows 11 lets you adjust your device's settings to customize your Windows 11 experience. In the Settings app window, you can click a button for each primary settings category at the left side of the window to then show the settings for the selected category to the right. The primary settings categories shown in the Settings app window in Windows 11 are System, Bluetooth and Devices, Network and Internet, Personalization, Apps, Accounts, Time and Language, Gaming, Accessibility, Privacy and Security, and Windows Update. After selecting a primary settings category, you can then click a settings category at the right side of the Settings app window to change the various individual settings within the selected category. These settings also appear in the right pane of the Settings window. A breadcrumb navigation system that shows your location within the settings then appears at the top of the window. You can click the links here to navigate back to the major category if desired. To return to the previous page in the Settings app window, you can also click the back arrow icon in the upper left corner of the app window. In the Settings window, most of the settings are applied as soon as they are changed. However, for some types of settings, you may need to change multiple individual settings and then click an Apply or Done button to apply the changes. Some settings may also have additional links you can click to view another page of sub-settings within those settings. If this is the case, you can return to the previous page of category settings by clicking the back button in the upper left corner of the app window or by using the breadcrumb navigation. To quickly find a setting, if you know at least part of the setting's name, click into the Find a Setting field in the upper left corner of the Settings app window. Then type the name of the setting to find. Windows shows matching results in a drop-down below the Find a Setting field. You can simply click on a search result to open the associated setting in the Settings app window. Alternatively, to show all results, click the Show All Results link in the drop-down menu to show all matching settings in the main pane of the Settings window. You can then click a link in the results to open the related setting in the Settings app window. Alternatively, to clear the Find a Setting field without selecting a choice, click the X button at the right end of the Find a Setting field to clear the current search term. To close the Settings app window, click the Close button in the upper right corner of the window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.